Luckybot. Make your 3D print process more fun, loving, and tasty. 5 minutes only. Simple disassembly and installation. 3 buttons, 1 door, easy to operate. Food grade PP for tube, food grade ABS for enclosure, 304 stainless steel for nozzle, unique intelligent algorithm. Create your ideas into reality with chocolate. Compatible with a variety of ingredients. A new way for 3D printing. Designed to match with major brands, DIY 3D printers. 40-degree maximum operation temperature. Be more for you.